agüito, güey. Me vale
Te estás
verga.
enojando con Edgar.
Conversation,
Nah,
yo.
me vale verga. Si tú
We're-
piensas que soy joto, pues tú piensas que soy joto.
Huevo.
Yo no soy
Ese es
joto.
mi primo.
Yo no soy
Ese es mi primo. Ese mi primo no es joto, pendejo, ¿eh?
No soy joto.
Tú sí eres joto. Yo no soy joto, pendejo.
Hey, who were we waiting for at the last?
I was waiting for a fucking girl.
Oh,
I don't know
no.
about you guys.
At the restaurant,
I was
who were
waiting
who were we waiting for?
Me.
For what?
You were waiting for me.
Why? Wait, who you
Because I
attacking?
was with some
pussy, you guys need
guys.
to meet.
Because you know what?
What?
You know what? I'm going to say it in the camera. I am fucking gay. I love fucking dick. I love it.
Oh my
I
goodness.
love it.
Valen
Big,
verga
big,
todos.
big, big, big dick.
More than Carl's Jr.?
Ooh, I love it. More than Taco Bell, more than Carl's Jr. I love it, big dicks.
Oh my goodness.
Because I am fucking gay.
Oh shit.
Like this, you know.
Like what?
Oh,
Oh shit.
no. I'm just like you, bitch. I love a big dick.
You wish.
What do you mean I wish?
How
Bitch?
big? How big?
This big. No,
Oh,
that's too big. Maybe this big. This big. You know, hand jobs and shit. You know,
How do you suck it?
you go like, like this. Okay, that's fucking.
Cypress College.